Hello, my name's Eileen Murphy, and I'm the board president for Girls Quest. We are a nonprofit from New York City, and we take underserved girls and give them an amazing summertime experience on our 400 acres here.
Yesterday I got to ride and build an electric skateboard. It was really fun. I asked if I could get a job because it was really fun building them, and I wanted to teach others about how to build skateboards.
For me, it wasn't complicated at all. For the girls, they loved it, and especially the screws and the wrenches. That was the main part. They loved to hold on to the wrenches and the screws and put them together.
It was really fun. It was a lot of pieces, but it was really fun, and I want to get one of those around at my house. And when I go home, I want to get one too because they're really fun.
None of them girls was nervous. They was ready. They're daredevils. They was ready to go and pump.
For me, this is like school, science. I love science.